This year, Oracle was pleased to present you the digital thread in the end-to-end approach at the Hannover Messe 2019. We started on the engineering side, and then we showcased the lead-to-cash, the IVP, the manufacturing and smart connected factory solution, digital logistics with blockchain, and the service activity and predictive maintenance. Let me go through one case that we showcased, which is the Smart Connected Factory with Mitsubishi Electric and Festo. Of the first demo is to showcase how we are partnering with Mitsubishi Electric. In this case, the Mitsubishi robot is able to operate with a walker to get a dice that has been launched and then place the dice on the right position using artificial intelligence. So you see that robot is directly connected to the cloud, and we can see, for instance, here that we have the dice numbers that have been captured directly from the robot and in the cloud application. And then we can see as well that we are capturing the cycle time of the robot, the time of the robot takes to move the dice from one place to another place, but also the movement of the robot. Then all of that merged together and can help to optimize the activity of the robot depending of the work order and depending of the operation. On this page, you can see that we can also interact with the robot, send an order, place an order, and also start the robot remotely directly from the cloud. The value of the cloud is also to have some capabilities around artificial intelligence. So in the same platform, we can drill down to the artificial intelligence system to identify some abnormal patterns of data in the data coming from the robot. So that can help us to identify some issue in the cycle time, issue in the dice number, so in the sequence of operation, and we can request to the system to automatically detect abnormal behavior based on different type of windows of historical data, could be 1 hour to 90 days, on a repeating or static window. Now we can go to the next level of monitoring, not only the asset, but all the factory across the world. You can see there that we have 14% behind the production plan because we are mixing data from manufacturing, ERP, and the data coming from the machines, and one factory which is 23% late, again, the production plan. We can drill down into the detail of the activity, look about the shop floor, for instance, and see that in the shop floor, we have a specific place where we have a bottleneck in terms of production activity with 23% late and the quality testing activity. If we are looking about the process itself, we see that in the process we don't have anymore these 23% showcased in the diagram here. The main reason is because we have two different products going through the same production line, and at the end we are late only on one product and not on all the products. So we can differentiate the orders against the issue that we have on the production line. So it means that the machine is not in trouble only in general, but only for one specific type of order. At the same time, we can apply the artificial intelligence as well on this to optimize and identify abnormal behavior in segment of operations. So now we are jumping on the manufacturing cloud. So you see that we have the work order, and in real time we have the number of parts that have been completed in the work order, the raw material that have been used, the percentage of the usage of the machine as well. And if we have to share that with customers or with a sales rep, we can directly click on the social there to share the information with our call center representative to discuss with the customers about the time of delivery, time to delivery of the work order, or even the scrapping level, so any information that we want to share with the customer, including the documentation. Then the next level is to say, okay, we have a financial people that want to get information about the status of the costing activity in the morning. So in this case, we can take a look about all the costing of every work orders that have been completed in the factory in the morning, and we can drill down to the detail of per operations, per all labor cost and machine cost as well. And all of that is in one platform, so you can get access to all the information from one platform, depending of your roles and depending of your business activity. The next step as well is that a factory is changing along the time. So the question here is how to synchronize all the change across all the business activities, financial and but also planning and operation. In this case, we have the definition of the routing per work order. So you can see there that we can very easily bring a new machines or new resources into the process of routing and then creating a new a revision of the process to launch that in the manufacturing activity. On top of that, the machine is also connected to Open Innovation and to Innovation Platform. So you see there that we have a Festo machine which is showing a red quality issue, and you can see in the virtual reality on the digital twin we have the quality issues that have been raised as well in the virtual reality environment in real time. So that's a full integration of the platform to open the data to any external partners or any external startups who want to provide some new innovative stuff like, like such as virtual reality or augmented reality for maintenance or training of the people. Let's go back to the monitoring cloud applications where we can see the Festo machine and the connection with the Festo machine, and we can see as well the error information about quality that have been raised directly in the application. So in there we can drill down to the map, see all our assets across the world, see that we have the Mitsubishi and Festo machine. We will click on the Festo machine, and then we can drill down into the alerts and see that we are getting some alerts about quality issue in the Festo equipment. That's ending the demo showcase, demonstrating out-of-the-box digital thread capabilities for sharing data across different roles from financial, product manager, factory managers, and startups.